Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the chapter number 52, that is Classical Dances of India. As we all know, dance is a form of meditation as well as a prayer that keeps our mind peaceful, right? Isn't it? Dances in India have a long tradition of over 2000 years. Two major forms of Indian dance are classical and folk. Classical dance forms are based on ancient dance discipline and have rigid rules of presentation, while folk dances vary according to the region and have no specific rules. As already I have told you, the classical dance or the dance, it is a form of meditation as well as a prayer. And classical dance is also a mode of expression of inner feelings, helping to develop self-belief and self-confidence. Since Indian classical dance is based on mythology, it teaches children the value of the rich literary and cultural heritage of India. And there are various best classical dances of India like Bharatnatyam, Kathakali and so on. As we all know, the Bharatnatyam is one of the most ancient Indian classical dance forms from southern India, basically Tamil Nadu. Kathakali originated from southwestern India around the state of Kerala. And all forms of dance are important, however, classical dance plays its own role, isn't it? Now here we are going to see some of the forms of dance and their importance also, and we will know about some of the classical dances of India. First one, name the dance form which is popular in Manipur and some other states in northeast India and is performed by swaying and gliding movements. So what is that dance name? And which is very popular in Manipur, that is Manipuri. So you will write it down here, M-A-N-I-P-U-R-I, Manipuri. Second, which dance form has a tradition of over 2000 years and was developed in the temples of Odisha? As we all know, it has been developed in the temples of Odisha, so the answer will be Odissi. So if you will fill it here, O-D-I-S-S-I, Odissi. Third one, which North Indian dance form is performed using the feet adorned with angle bells as percussion instrument? As the picture has been given here, you can see this picture here, and this is the ankle bells, isn't it, right? And how the dance is performed here, that this dance name is Kathak, which is performed using the feet adorned with ankle bells as percussion instruments. इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्यों बोला गया है इसे? क्योंकि वो क्या, जिस तरीके से हम लोग घुंघरू बोला जाता है, घुंघरू, isn't it? इसे क्या कहा जाता है? घुंघरू कहा जाता है, जो एंगल बेल्स हैं. तो ये क्या होता है, बहुत ही हेवी होता है, एक पट्टी पे बना हुआ रहता है, आवाज जो करता है, जिस तरीके से हम लोग पायल्स, जो गर्ल्स होती है पायल्स वेयर करती हैं. So it is known as that's why it is called as the instrument. So the dance form name is the Kathak. So you will fill it here, Kathak, K-A-T-H-A-K, Kathak. Fourth number, which dance form is a combination of Bharatnatyam and Kathakali? यानी ये एक ऐसा डांस फॉर्म है जिसमें दोनों ही है कॉम्बिनेशन, which it is of Bharatnatyam and Kathakali. So what is that dance form name? That is Mohiniyattam. So you will write it down here, M-O-H-I-N-I-A-T-T-A-M. Fifth one, which dance form originated in Kerala as an integration of drama, singing and instrumental music, characterized instrumental music characterized by a range of highly stylish gestures. So what is that? Kathak Kali. So we will write it down here. Kathakali. Next, we are going to move on to the B section. B number, match the classical dances with their famous performers. यानी कुछ ऐसे डांसेस हैं जिसे कौन परफॉर्म करते हैं, कुछ फेमस परफॉर्मर्स. लेट अस सी द फर्स्ट वन हियर इट इज भरतनाट्यम. Who are the performers? Bala Saraswati and Leela Samson. So you will write it down here, 1 number. Second number it is Kathak. Now Kathak by whom it is performed? Bharti Gupta and Gopi Krishna. Third it is Kuchipudi. So it is performed by Josela Sitharamaya and Vempati Chinna Satyam. Fourth one, Manipuri. Guru Bipin Sinha, Nirmala Mehta. Fifth, Odissi. That is Devprasad Das, Indrarani Rahman. Sixth, Kathak Kali. It is performed by T.T. Raman Kuti Nair, Kanak Relay. Now we are going to move on to the next chapter, that is chapter number 53. The chapter number 53, it is all about the mythological quiz. As we all know, the Indian mythology is full of interesting stories and incidents. And in this chapter, some of the questions that is based on the mythology is given here. Let's start with this chapter. Which king of Ayodhya gave up his kingdom to save his people after being cursed by sage Vishwamitra? यानी आपको ऐसे किंग का नाम बताना है जो कि अपने किंगडम को ही क्या करता है, गिव अप करते हैं टू सेव द लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल आफ्टर बीइंग, यानी जो सेज विश्वामित्र हैं उनके कर्ज के बाद. सो हु वाज द किंग दैट? हरिश्चंद्र. सो यू विल हैव टू राइट इट डाउन हियर. हरिश्चंद्र, HARISH, हरिश्चंद्र, CHANDRA, Harishchandra. Second number, in Jainism, what is that person called who achieves enlightenment through asceticism? So, who was what it is being called? वो person क्या कहलाता है? He is known as the Tirthankar. So, TIRTHANKAR. It is also known as Tirthankara. Third one, which beautiful goddess rose out of the ocean when the gods and the demons were working together to get Amrit from the ocean? The answer is Lakshmi. So we will write it down here, LAKSHMI. Fourth number, name the special season when Christians prepare for the feast of Easter. ये एक स्पेशल सीजन के बारे में बताना है, and that special season is known as the Lent, and in Western churches it begins on Ash Wednesday and 6.5 weeks before Easter, and provides for a 40-day fast in imitation of Jesus Christ fasting in the wilderness before he began his public ministry. So that occasion is known as Lent, LENT, Lent. Fifth one, which hill was lifted by Krishna to shelter the people of Vrindavan when Indra, the king of gods, sent a terrible storm on them out of anger? The hill name, you have to mention it here, that which hill was lifted by Krishna. That hill name is Govardhan. So you will write it down here, GOVARDHANA. Sixth number, which title was given in Buddhism to the specific awakening attained by Buddha? What was that name? Title? Bodhi. 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 Seventh number, What is the name given to the story of Lord Rama written by the Tulsidas? What was that? वो क्या नाम दिया गया है इन्हें? That is Ramcharitmanas. So we will write it down here. Ramcharitmanas. Ramcharitmanas. 8th number. From which word is the word Sikh derived? ये कहाँ से मिला हुआ है? That is from the word Sisya. That means disciple or student. Like the Sikhs are disciples of Guru Nanak. We will write it down as Sisya. Sisya. 9th number. What is the original name of the epic Mahabharata? इसका epic name कौन सा है? So the name is Jayasmita and it was written down by the Ganesha and narrated by Maharshi Vedvyas. The original epic had only 8,800 sloks and was called Jaya. So what is the name here? Name is Jayasmita. J-A-Y-A. Jaya. S-A-M-H-I-T-A. 10th number. To whom is Vedvyas said to have dictated the Mahabharata so as to get it written? What is that? To whom? अभी तुरंत मैंने आपको बताया था Ganesha. So we will write it down here. G-A-N-E-S-H-A. Ganesha. He dictated, not dedicated. The Vedvyas has dedicated the Mahabharata so as to get written. That to whom? They dictated to Ganesha. Now next we are going to move on to the chapter number 55, that is National Honours and Awards. The Government of India has instituted several national awards to honor citizens who have served the country in any way with full dedication. These awards are meant for people belonging to various fields. यानी जो awards होते हैं क्या होता है? It belongs to various fields. यानी fields क्या होते हैं? Different होते हैं, अलग होते हैं. So let us see one by one. This is the highest glanatory award given for the highest degree of bravery or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy. यानी अगर जिसने सेल्फ सैक्रिफाइस किया इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एनिमी, बहुत ही बहादुरी से अगर अपने एनिमी को हराया या फिर उससे जीता, तो उससे क्या किया जाता है? सेल्फ सैक्रिफाइस किया है अगर अपने एनिमी के सामने इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एनिमी, देन ही हैज बीन गिवन द अवार्ड दैट इज परमवीर चक्र. सो यू विल राइट इट डाउन हियर. परमवीर चक्र. PARAMVIR वीर चक्र. CHAKRA. And it is the highest degree of bravery award. Next, the second number, it is instituted on May 22nd, 1961. This award is given for the best creative literary writing by any citizen of India in any of the 18 recognized Indian languages. कोई भी जितने भी आपके 18 recognized Indian languages हैं, जैसे हमारी हिंदी, इंग्लिश, in that if someone is writing the best creative literary, तो उन्हें क्या मिलता है? ये अवार्ड मिलता है. And that award name is Janpat Award. So you will write it down here. JNANPITH AWARD award. Third number. This prestigious award is given to the sports person for excellent performance in their own respective sports. जैसे कि कोई स्पोर्ट्स है ऐसे जिसमें वो जो पर्सन है वो बहुत ही होनहार है, उसमें बहुत ही अच्छे से उसमें उसने अपना जो स्पोर्ट्स जो क्वालिटीज है उसमें स्पोर्ट्स का वो अगर अच्छे से परफॉर्म करता है एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो टू एन एक्सीलेंट परफॉर्मर, देन दे ही और शी इज बीइंग अवॉर्डेड this award, and that award name it is Arjuna Award, and this award is given to the sports person. GUNA Arjuna Award, AWARD, Arjuna Award. Fourth number, this highest civilian award is given for exceptional work in art, literature, science or in recognition of public service of the highest order. अगर कोई एक बहुत ही एक्सेप्शनल वर्क करता है किसी आर्ट में, लिटरेचर में या फिर किसी साइंस के फील्ड में और कोई पब्लिक सर्विस, then he has been awarded with this award, that is Bharat Ratna, BHARAT, Bharat Ratna, RATNA. As you all know, Sachin Tendulkar has been awarded with this and many more are there, isn't it? Fifth number, this award is given for distinguished service of high order in any field including the services rendered by government services. ये जो अवार्ड है उनको मिलता है जो कि बहुत ही अलग अपनी सर्विस को करते हैं, चाहे वो गवर्नमेंट सर्विस ही क्यों ना हो. दे आर अवॉर्डेड विद द पद्म श्री, PADMASHRI, Padma. Sixth number, introduced in 1969, this is the highest award given to film personalities for lifetime achievements in cinema. So, ये जो अवार्ड है ये किसको मिलता है? फिल्म पर्सनालिटीज को. And for what they are getting? For the lifetime achievements in cinema. And that award is known as Dada Saheb Phalke Award. DADA, Dada, SAHEB Saheb Phalke, PHALKE, Phalke Award. Next it is seventh, instituted in 1985. This award is given to eminent sports coaches. ये किसे मिलता है? कोचेस को, who have successfully trained international sports persons and teams. और उन्होंने क्या ट्रेन किया हो, किसको ट्रेन किया हो? इंटरनेशनल स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को या फिर किसी टीम को. And that award known as the Dronacharya Award. So we will write it down here. DRONACHARY, Dronacharya Award, AWARD. Eighth number, this award was launched by the Government of India in 1995 on the occasion of the 125th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. This annual award is given to individuals and institutions for their outstanding contribution to world peace and upholding of human rights in the most difficult situation while sticking to Gandhian principles. यानी ये एक ऐसा अवार्ड है जो लॉन्च किया गया है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा, और वो भी किस लिए? 125th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी पे, महात्मा गांधी के कौन से बर्थ एनिवर्सरी पे? 125th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी पे. एंड दिस नेशनल अवार्ड दिया जाता है given to the individuals या फिर कोई institution for their outstanding contribution to world peace, and they are stick to the Gandhian principles. So this award name is Gandhi Peace Prize, GANDHI, Gandhi PEACE, Peace Prize, PRIZE, Gandhi Peace Prize. And the National Bravery Awards for Children was started in 1957, and this award recognizes and honors children who perform outstanding deeds of bravery and self-sacrifice. Now what you have to do is, you have to learn and fill the chapter number 52, 53 and 55 in your book. That's all for today. Thank you. And from the next class, I am going to provide you with the revision questions. So, I will tell you the chapters which you have to learn for the revisions are chapter number 5, 8 and 9. These 3 chapters you have to learn. So, that's all for today. Thank you.